testing this lighting. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marqita and I'm super excited to bring you guys another video. I'm really working hard to make sure I push out some more content from you guys because I know I haven't been able to do that recently because I've been working on some other projects, which I'm telling you I will share with you guys soon enough. But yes, this is all about eyebrows. It's my updated eyebrow tutorial. Some of you have been asking for an eyebrow video. I do have one previously if you want to check it out, but this is my actual current eyebrow routine, and I just want to thank you for subscribing to my channels and liking my videos and watching them. Honestly, I make these for you, and so just let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, I'm going to be bringing and showing you guys a little bit more things into like fashion and my fitness world, and just like some fun like foodie things too, for those people who are into food but still are not into the calories of food. I'll bring some stuff to you guys, and then I'm also going to be incorporating some more fun things about myself, which if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love mugs. I'm all about that mug life. If you like mugs, comment below, let me know, send me some pics, let me see what you guys are into. This mug today is a mermaid at heart because I love the water, I love the ocean, I love swimming, and you know what? I think I'm a mermaid when I'm in the ocean, so this is just fun mug of the day. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you know when new content's coming out. Okay, bye. Okay, so we are gonna get started with our eyebrows, and all you really need is your favorite eyebrow product. I really love eyebrow pencils. They really work well for me. I feel like I could get the most control with the product, and my favorite eyebrow pencil, which is also very practical in the sense of like price point, is the L'Oreal Brow Stylus Definer, and I do this in the color brunette. You should definitely make sure that when you're doing your eyebrows, to make them look the most natural, is to do it at least 1 to 2 shades lighter than your hair color. It just makes the eyebrows look really soft so you don't get that hard, like crazy eyebrow look. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You've seen them before. So yeah, 1 to 2 shades lighter is really gonna help to make a natural eyebrow. And then also your favorite concealer. I have 2 concealers that I use, which are NARS Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color, I don't know how to pronunciate this, but it's like medium dark. I'm not even gonna try to pronunciate it, but I will put it below, but it's the medium dark 1.5. And then just a little like edge brush. This is like literally $93, guys. I got it from like the Wet n Wild collection, so it's super cheap. You just need something with a little bit of like a flat, thin, I like it angled. You can also just have it straight edge. Just make sure you have something that's kind of edged out straight, so it helps to really carve out the eyebrows really well. And so we're gonna get started. I've kind of been switching around my eyebrow routine, so this is what I would like to call my updated eyebrow tutorial. So I always have a little spoolie at the end because that's key to make sure your eyebrows are not raging. My eyebrows, I kind of have this on and off again thing with them. Like sometimes they're growing in really well, and then sometimes they're growing in kind of crazy. And so right now I'm kind of in the in-between stages of my eyebrows and trying to figure out if I want to grow them in or not. I go get my eyebrows done, and sometimes, you know, they make them too thin, which yeah. So I'm working with what I got today. So you're gonna take your little eyebrow pencil, and all you're gonna do first is just thinly and carefully underline your eyebrow. All you're doing is like outlining your brow, like the shape that you want. And you don't want to do it too much because you don't want too much product on it. You just want it very light. And then I like to just kind of like, you know, press it in to my eyebrows. What that does is it kind of like melts it into your brows so that you have like kind of this seamless merging of your eyebrows and the product. And I'm not gonna lie, like probably my old eyebrow tutorial, I had my eyebrows like a lot thicker and fuller and bolder, but you know, that was kind of like the thing, and it still kind of is, but I kind of downsized my brows a little bit more. And so after you do that, all you're gonna do is take your concealer and your little brush that we talked about, and you're just gonna get a little bit of product on the brush. I just kind of just dab it. And then all you're gonna do is carve out underneath your eyebrow. And again, this is like really slow and steady because this is just going to clean up and sharpen it before you fill it in. And this is the point where you kind of decide kind of how thick you want your brow to be. Like if you want your eyebrow to be a little bit fuller, then you're not gonna obviously clean up as much. But if you want it to be a little bit thinner, it's that time to kind of clean it up. And then all I do is I take the product and I drag it down onto my eyelid. And that also works as a primer for my eyeshadow. And then just take your finger, or you can use your brush and just blend that out so it's like nice and smooth. And then I like to kind of make sure that everything is like blended really nicely. If you don't blend it in really nicely, you're gonna kind of have this harsh kind of line, and so you wanna avoid that at all costs. Another thing that I've been doing now, instead of just putting my eyebrow pencil, is I've been using eyeshadow now. And so you're gonna get another brush. It could be another like flat brush. I again have another little angled brush, and then you can take like your favorite eyeshadow. Sorry for all the noise, I'm like getting all my stuff out, but your favorite eyeshadow, again, like you want to make sure it's like, you know, 1 to 2 shades, you know, lighter. You don't want it to be too dark. And so I'm using the Morphe Natural Glow 350 palette, and there's this really pretty brown color right here. And all I'm doing is I'm going to take that, I'm going to dip my brush into that, and have your like spoolie handy because it's all about blending. So again, I'm going to brush all my hairs up, and then also kind of in the direction that they grow, and just kind of like make sure my hairs are laying in that direction. And then I'm going to take my eyeshadow, and all I'm going to do is do light strokes. And if you notice, guys, I'm doing it in the direction my hair grows. So my hair kind of, my hair and my eyebrows grows kind of funny. So here it grows up, and then here it grows like this, and then here it kind of grows like this. So just follow that and just do some really light strokes. And then take your spoolie again, and then just like brush it up like that, and then just brush the hair over. And then take a little bit more of your eyeshadow on your brush again, and then you're just gonna kind of outline the top of it. Blend again. So the point of this spoolie piece is that what it's doing is it's helping blending everything out together. And then you can kind of like leave this top portion alone, or if you want it to be a little bit sharper, which this looks really great. It looks like very natural. And then you'll want to like take the excess, you know, and just kind of bring it towards the front of your eyebrow. And this eyebrow like right now looks very natural and like really great, and like I don't have to do anything else, but I like a little bit more like sharper brow on top. So I'm going to take my brow definer, and then all you're going to do is just like closely outline the top of your brow. Don't go past into the front portion. Stay kind of towards like right here of your eyebrow, and then all the way down. And to see, it just kind of makes it a little bit sharper, and this is like, I love this. So if you want to, you can go back in depending on what your eyebrows are looking like, and then just like fill in that front portion. And there you go. You have your eyebrow. I'm gonna finish the other one and then I will be right back. Okay, and here you go. This is the final look of my eyebrows, my updated eyebrow tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I am not on, what do you call it, Snapchat. Yeah, too many media platforms, but follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe to my channel. I said that already. Keep in the loop of all the fun things that I have coming your way. Don't forget to comment below. Tell me what you love and what you want to see. And yeah, I think that's it. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.